Next topic, what is the thing we are going to discuss today? First one, e-waste. E-waste is also known as, what is the thing? E-waste means it is nothing but electronic waste. E-waste means what? Electronic waste. So, e-waste means it is nothing but, it commonly refers to as e-waste means it is nothing but the byproduct which we receiving or we are getting from infotech society. We are using at present, we are come across in morning, start from morning till we go to bed, we are using so many electronic devices. After the electronic devices period or the time get over, it is not in good condition to work means at the time what we can do, we just throw it away. Is it clear? The thing we can call it as it is a electronic waste. Clear? So it includes a broad and growing range of electronic devices from large household appliances such as the refrigerator, its original quality it come down and it is not cooling. So at the time we are just repairing and each and everything we are doing, but it is not in good quality, it is not in working condition, means we just throw it away. So the refrigerator and the cell phones and computers and other some electronic goods and services, video games as well as DVD as well as Xerox machines etc. can be disposed. So what will happen? Especially all this electronic waste, it comes out from business owners and especially from household sector. These are all the main important thing we can call it as it is an electronic waste. And another important thing, solid waste. Solid waste means it is nothing but the discharge of useless and unwanted materials as a result of human activity. Each and every day we just finish our cooking as well as from the business as well as from each and everything. Either it is in a solid way or it is in a semi-solid way or it is in a liquid way. We are just dispose each and every waste material. We can call it as it is a solid waste. First one, solid waste, especially from hospitals or from any other dead animals, we just throw it away and naturally it happen, we can call it as it is a solid waste. Another it is also happen in a semi-solid way means agricultural waste. After the agriculture production get over, we just throw certain important thing, we can call it as liquid form means it is nothing but industrial waste. Different types of color water it is also coming out. Each and everything it is also plays a very important role and the industrial waste is also taken place in case of solid waste. So it results in severe public health and hygienic hazard. What will happen? Hazard means it is nothing but affected. Too much of affected due to different types of solid waste. It is also comes under the category of solid waste. And wait, another important things also we are having today. Another important thing we are having today. Today what is the thing we are going to discuss today is sustainable development. Sustainable development, from the topic itself we can know that one hand we have to achieve the production and another hand we have to protect the original quality of the environment. What is the thing we have to achieve? Increase in production. We have to increase the production in one hand, but also we have to protect environmental quality. Environmental quality is also protected. Is it clear? We have to increase production and we have to protect environmental quality, then we can call it as, we have to protect environmental quality, then we can call it as it is a sustainable development. What does the meaning? It is concerned with the welfare of not only the present generation. We have to produce so many goods and services in order to satisfy the wants and needs of the general public at present. We are concentrate only on this particular day. We are not concentrate about future. Is it clear? So sustainable development means we have to protect the life of at present and also we have to protect the same thing for the future generation also. That is the thing, the meaning is over. Another important thing, what is meant by sustainable development means it aims not only the satisfying of the luxurious goods of the upper class, not only the upper class but also the basic needs and amenities of the poor people. Poor people means below poverty line or LIG or MIG. We have to concentrate on food, sanitation, healthcare and education facilities. So sustainable development means we have to increase production. Production we have to increase and also that we have to protect environmental quality. Environmental quality also we have to protect. Then we can call it as it is a sustainable development. And what is the thing, important thing, part B carry 2 marks, very important thing, listen very carefully. The term inter-regional equity. The present generation should not exhaust the resources left by they have to left for the past generation. What is the thing left by the past generation? And we have to leave. It is very important. Two things. What is the thing left by the past? We have to leave for future generation. We can call it as it is an interregional equity. Is it clear? What are the resources available given by the free gift of nature? We do not use exhaust, means fuller utilization of the resources to the 99.99%. Is it clear? 99.99% we are utilizing, means that is the thing. Present generation should not exhaust the resources left by the past generation. We have to protect for future generation also. That term we can call it as it is a interregional equity. Clear?